Hello, welcome to the tools. On today's video, we'll be looking at Viso and how to make use of Viso, which is a face swapping tool to make video calls on places like WhatsApp. We'll be using places like WhatsApp and Telegram as an example. So on the Viso, we have the Viso application itself, which is just a folder here, the split cam, the avatars, where I want to store my avatars. And we're going to be using Drake or Will here as our test. The avatars and the Viso application itself, which if I'm running installation for you, you will be having this on your PC. So in order for us to do this, yeah, we're going to start by starting up the application. So you can do well to join my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link will be in the description. So do you want to load last workspace session? So for me, I'm going to cancel. I want everything to be clean and new. So this is what we have. Let me maximize this. We have the search window. So we're going to be making use of this cam window. This cam, our system cam. Select that. So it's going to be showing our system cam here. While for our select face image part. So we're going to come here. You remember avatars? We had an avatar folder on our desktop. So this is the desktop. We just click on desktop, go to the avatar folder and select it. And this is going to load the models that are required to run the program. And after that, we are going to have our avatars. This is going to, any picture you put in the avatar folder is going to appear here. So next, what we are going to do is we are going to start up the application. First, we are going to select our target source. This is the target source, which is my current face here. And for the input face, the face we want to swap with, we are going to select this. So firstly, we just click on find face. So it's going to find our face here. After we find face, then we just select the avatar we want to swap with and we swap face. So it's going to load the model and it has load. So in order for it to be working real time, you just need to click on this. So when you click on this, you're able to run it real time here. So I'll be showing you some of the tweaks you are going to be making use of in order for us to improve this output that we already have. So we're making use of Drake this time. I'll be making use of Drake throughout this video in order for me to show you how it works. Yeah. So we start with going to we have the face swap, face alignment. You will not be making use of most of this. I'll be just be talking about major settings you should be looking at when making use of the application. So we have the strength. This shows the strength of the face similarity strength. You understand? So if we increase it, it's going to be more similar to the original picture you are making use of. And another thing you should look at is you can just set it back to default, which is 100. Another thing you should look at is see it's currently not, it's not, you might not like the resolution. You can also increase the resolution, but this is dependent on your VRAM. Currently, I'm just using an 8 VRAM system. So if you have enough VRAM to contain this, you can increase which will increase the quality slightly, the resolution quality slightly. So, but currently, since I'm just making the video, I'll just leave it at 128. You can test through as much as you want. So, another important thing is this. Let's scroll. Um, so I've showed you the face strength. The likeness, you don't need to go too much to that part, but you can test it if you want and reset it. So I'll just leave this. So there's what they call occlusion. So occlusion map. When you try to put your face, your hands in front of your face, you see it's not working correctly. If I put my hand in front of my face, it kinds of ruins the whole thing. So in order for you to fix that, you can turn on your occlusion. And when you turn on occlusion, you're able to put your hand on your face. You understand? So that's how the occlusion. So the occlusion side, you can decide to edit this as much as you wish. But I'll be turning that off for now. So let's go to this face editor. The face editor is just when you want to try to do hair makeup and things like, you can change the color of the hair and things like that. But I don't think you'll be needing much of that. So the common setting. So common setting, we have this is the more like the enhancer feature. I don't know if you have looked at the previous video I've made on the enhancer features. This is like the enhancer feature here. So here you're able to enable face restorer, which is going to improve the quality of the face. Apart from just improving quality of facing when making use of swapper resolution, like including resolution, yes. Apart from increasing resolution, let's put it at the highest. Apart from increasing resolution, not as I increase the resolution, my video became laggy per se. So you can also come here if you have enough VRAM, yes. You can also come here and turn on the face enhancer restorer. And this is going to smoothen the face and make it look more cleaner. You understand? You can also test other settings. Test it exactly how you want it to be. You understand? You can also between models, but just turn it on is enough. And there is the enhancer phase two, still the same thing, is similar like that. So I'll be turning that off and I'll be leaving my output the same. So those are the major things you need to know when making use of this application and how to make start it possible. So 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 we have talked about the occlusion, the similarity threshold. This face mask is just to adjust the face mask on your face, and then color correction. You can decide to make use of color correction in order to help you with color, the face color per se. So color adjustments, things like that. You can come here to test all that and see what it does. So we are going to what next? So currently now I'm going to go on how to make use of this for a call. So since we have started the application, it's running smoothly and easy to make use of. So we're going to try to make use of it for a call. So in order for you to make use of it for a call, our advice that you make use of good lighting. Currently, I'm not even making use of the lighting rig here. I'm just using my normal lights currently. I'm just trying to make a tutorial video on how it works. So I will turn off the parameter panel. I'll just turn on the face panel. I'll turn off the media panel. I think I'll be having only this. This will be showing my face, yeah? The swap face per se. Swap face of Drake. So so here next what we are going to do is that we're going to now start our split cam. Just like we usually do. We start our split cam application. So after we come here, we are going to see the share display, the share windows, and you are going to see the Viso here. Viso 5. You select, you add. So what you are going to now do next is this. You see, it's reading from our window. You understand? What you are going to do next is you are going to adjust the output. So anything that shows here is what's going to show in the application we are trying to make use of, ID, WhatsApp, or the rest. So we're going to adjust it like this. So when you adjust it like this, the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to open your, let me say your WhatsApp application, for example. So I'll decide to open WhatsApp here. So I have my WhatsApp application opened here. I have my so I have my WhatsApp application open. So next thing we're going to do, settings, and after you go to settings, you're going to see videos and voices like that. Allow. So in camera now, you're going to see split cam video driver, HP, your split cam video driver. So you're going to select this. So you're going to select your split cam video driver and come back to, so we'll be making call with this phone number. We're calling this phone number. Right. So currently you might have problem on your camera is being used by another. So when you start the call, it's very important that you click on this and click on split cam driver. Even after setting it in settings, you need to set it here too. You understand? So when you set it here, then you turn on your cam. You understand? So when you are making call, this is the output the person is going to be seeing. So that's for WhatsApp. So let's try the same thing for Telegram. Let's go to our Telegram. Um, search Telegram. So we go to Telegram desktop application. So on our Telegram, yeah, we have to click on this and go to settings. And in settings, you will see the speaker and camera. So in speaker and camera now, you will have to change the input camera to split camera. When you do that, that's when you see this. If it's still in your normal camera, you'll not be able to get this output. So that's exactly how it works. So any application you want to make use of, you just need to, after setting up your split cam, you just need to select split cam drivers in this setting. And I'll appreciate it if you like and subscribe for more videos like this, as this what's encouraged me to make videos like this. And if you have a request on how to use it on different platforms, you should make a request via the comments and I will try to make a video regarding that. So thank you. Thank you for watching.